Okay friend, good morning. I'm back with a new video for Laiko Lato, Li 1S, La Pro 3 and La Max 2 for every phone. I will show you some new features that have been added after an update of 5.8.019s. It's a stable release. You can see that my version is up to date. Then I will go and show you what are the features that they are offering in this update. They are telling that when we use feedback, it's an issue when app crashes and we submit online feedback that sometimes stops. In recovery mode, there is an issue of recovery mode when it's happened. Camera, I am serious, I am very serious. After this update, your camera will go bang on. It was superb. So please do this update. You can see that it's written enhance the auto night modes, optimize color display in low light condition, everything that, and main thing is that see this slow motion recording noise. When you might see that when you are recording slow motion, it means too much noise in that video, so you can update. And type C, on type C CDLA technology, it's sometimes an issue that after when you're dialing the earphone tickles a noise. And Dolby Atmos, it's having a new parameter that's Superman. You can download, you can update. It's very necessary and very thing. And it's the main thing that they have added is that when we use Jio 4G network, it sometimes call drops many times, not sometimes, many times. Actually, eventually you have to call 30 times, so that's only once it connects. So do this update, your Jio 4G network will work superbly. And many things have happened. And one new thing is happened in music player, that they are providing a music service by Hungama. So it's awesome. I will show you after in this video. Okay, now let's get started. You can see I have not downloaded too much apps: Facebook, Hike, WhatsApp, Instagram, IMO, Snapchat, Twitter and Messenger. Then you can see Subway Surfer, Dream League Soccer, Xender, Snap VPN, Camera Fun, Camera Makeup, PixArt, MSQRD and many things. Now we can get started. First, I will show you some new features that they have added. Go to settings, then scroll down, go to accessibility. After pressing that, you will go down and you will see 3-finger screenshot. After you enable this, when you swipe 3 finger on your screen, it will take a screenshot, like I will show you. I will now swipe 3 fingers and you saw that it took a screenshot. And there are options, plenty of options like scroll. If you press on scroll, you can take every screenshot and just need to tap when you don't want to, then they scroll. And if you don't want to scroll, then you back, I will again take a screenshot. Now you can add a frame of your own phone on that. You can see that it is La1 and La2 all the same, so whatever you want to do, you can do that. Now even you can they have added and there is one very useful feature that you can get in display, that's color mode. When you go in color mode, I have chosen soft, so when you see, when I will press any other, it will so brightly, it will increase the light of screen. Now you can see this is that when you press the soft mode, you can use for long time use of your phone. So I use that mode, is my pretty for me. Now let's do the thing that for which I came here to make the video. If you want to increase your Jio speed, I have many guessing, but it never happens. I got a message on WhatsApp that to increase your Jio speed, you need to wait, I will show you. You need to download this one service, jio4g.blogspot.com. If you do this, your screen definitely will increase. Wait, I will show you. My screen speed has been increasing superbly. Like I will make a download from 50 kbps, it has gone up to 400 to 500 kbps. I will like search for a game, Candy Crush Now I will not download the full game, but I will show you speed. In top of that screen you can see it's right now 20.0.3 kbps, but when I will put install, its downloading speed is superb. Now you can see on top, just see on top, it will increase. Now you can see that it's on 360 kbps. Now you can see that it's so speedy, so you can download, you can do this thing to increase the speed. And I will give the link below down description. And let's go back. Everything has been means safe. You can do, this phone is working superbly, everything is fine. Just need again one thing that I forgot, that's the update that they have added is Hungama music service, which is totally awesome. Now that whatever you want to sing, since this is new songs, you can go in English, and whatever your preferred language is you can select it. I will select English because I like English songs. All you can select, and after that you new music, when you click it will got all the things like international top 40s. It's taking a time, but it's awesome. Like I will show you how to listen the song offline. I will just click on Black Beatles. You can see it has started, but you can press this button right down here. You can see this. When you press it, now you can see that how speedily it will download it. Just see in the top notification will come that your song has been downloaded, or Black Beatles had been downloaded. Wait for 2 minutes and you will see it right now. And I would also like to say that please subscribe this video. You can see on top that is written Black Beatle chased. Now your song has been downloaded. For after downloading you can listen it in Me, and you will go to playlist, and after that you can see offline music. All the musics have been downloaded offline. You can listen them without internets. That's why it's very good thing. And if you want to increase the speed, although, then you can, as I told in my earlier video, that you can use Snap VPN. Now see, this is very useful. Now I will press on everything. I will press on India, as it is have the full network, or most of the time it does not take rest, but I have done that link below, that's why it will work superbly. That I have no problem on doing this. Okay, do like and subscribe my video. Hashtag Daman Singh Chak De Fate. Thank you very much. Welcome.